Welcome to our channel.
Hello.
Makingi, Pusi, Ima. We are from we are from Upolu and Savai. Currently in Manua. Welcome to our channel. We're eating oysters, liao, and wala pa rin meron ng mga pule. And so may Pusi. Yeah. So ay so. Welcome to our channel. We're eating faisua, breadfruits. We're drinking coconuts. And this is Pusi. This is Pusi. Fatima. Pusi is from sa Anapu. And Samna Manono. Fatima is from here. Pero mo Savai. Payay Savai and Parisi. And I am from Tutuila. Hello.
She's from Savai too. And Maria. And we are Kaka. We're in Manu. And Maria is
No, I'm from Tafuna, Tutuila. Born and raised in Tafuna. Okay, walo ko liang fuya. I'm from Iva Savai and Pasotai Apia, Samoa. So this is